how to change Trust Wallet recovery phrase. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn whether or not we can actually change our Trust Wallet recovery phrase, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So the recovery phrase is basically something that whenever you log in your account or your wallet on a new device, you have to enter the secret phrase, right? And if you forgot a secret phrase, you want to change it, or even if you do remember it and then you still want to change it, well, unfortunately that is not currently possible. So according to other sources, you can't edit or change your Trust Wallet secret recovery phrase. However, if you had used a passkey instead of a password or 12-word secret phrase to protect and recover your wallet, passkeys are linked to your iCloud or maybe your Google account, and you can use them to recover your wallet if you lose access to your device or wallet. So Trust Wallet also recommends ensuring your cloud account is set up for wallet recoverability. So you can go to main wallet option. Now if you had unfortunately, let's say, backed up using your Google Drive the secret phrase, you can restore them, but you can't change your secret recovery phrase. But if you had used your Swift key, let's say by tapping on import, or let's say you had used a Swift key, you'll actually be able to restore it from your cloud. So hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.